Hello everyone, welcome back to Anonymous World. Hope you all are doing well. We are close to 100 subscribers, so please subscribe my channel. So we have done enough theory part on our Python series. It's time to do some practical work. So to work on Python, we need to create an environment. Obviously, when you are learning Python, you will do some coding. You can write codes on Notepad, Notepad++, or anything. So as I told in last video, Python is also used in scientific and numeric uses. So let's try typing some short code 2 plus 3. Believe me, it is a Python code, you can run it, but I won't get its answer in Notepad. Python is an interpreter language, so we need an interpreter. So simply go to your browser and search for Python. You can also write download Python. Go to the first website, which is www.python.org. It is the official website of the Python. As you can see, the latest version of Python is 3.8.5. Also, I told you in my previous video that Python has a huge community, so its new version keeps on rolling. You can see there are all releases of Python. You can download any version, but I will recommend download the latest version of Python, which is 3.8.5. Below there you can find the links to download Python for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or any other operating system, whichever you are using. So the Python is downloaded. Now it's time to install it. You can go by default installation, in which your file will be saved to C folder, or you can customize the installation. It completely depends on you, but I will recommend to go for default installation option. Now below you can see two options: installation option for all users, add Python to 3.82 path. Select it. By selecting it, whenever you want to open some Python file to command prompt or any other software, you don't need to give Python extension. It will open by default just by giving the name of the file. It will take max 1 to 2 minutes for your installation. So your setup is successful. Now you can close it. Go to search option and search for Python. You can find IDLE. IDLE is the GUI of the Python, where you can write your codes. This is the Python shell. You can see the prompt of the Python, but where to write code? Go on file, click on new file and write your code. I will write just a simple command, print hello world. Save this program. Now you can see there is option of run. You can go from there, or you can just press F5 to run the program. As you can see, our program is printed hello world, but it doesn't feel like you are a developer. We need an IDE for Python, which is PyCharm. It is developed by JetBrains. JetBrains is also famous for developing IDE for Java and other programming languages like IntelliJ. You can see it is the IDE of Java. So this is PyCharm. It comes in two versions, community version and one professional version. Click on download. You can find professional and community. Professional version has much more features. You can check the features of both the versions. Professional version is paid, so download the community version. I have already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. Download it for Windows. Advantage of PyCharm is that whenever you type your code in PyCharm, you will get suggestions of next function or any function you are typing. It will automatically give brackets and inverted commas, whatever syntax or function you use. Let's see an example. I'm creating a new file hello and print the same program, print hello world. See, as I gave one bracket, automatically it closes this. Right click and click on run hello. You can see our program is printed hello world. This is the terminal, and beside it you can see Python console. Here I write 2 plus 3, then I get the result 5, but in Notepad this was not possible. PyCharm is used by many developers. Now go to file, go to settings. There you can find the option of project, your project Python, which I have created. There you can find the option of interpreter. As you can see, Python 3.8 is my default interpreter, which I have downloaded earlier, IDLE. So that's all for this video.